Okay, now question number 8b. In 8b, the question is, in the given figure, O is the center. O is the center of a circle, and NMPQ, NMPQ, NMQP is a cyclic quadrilateral. NMPQ is a cyclic quadrilateral, which is nothing more. All 4 points vertices of a quadrilaterals are in a circle. Also given that NR and NP are equal, NR and NP are equal, and this angle PNR, this angle is 50 degree, then find the size of this angle. What is this angle size? We have to find this. Here it's pretty simple. What you can see, since we have a triangle PNR where we have two sides are equal, that means it's an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means base angles are equal, so this angle and this angles are equal. There is another thing, since this is a cyclic quadrilateral, the outer angle is equals to opposite of its adjacent angle. I have an adjacent and its opposite angle. So this angle and this angle are equal, being a cyclic quadrilateral. How they are equal? Because the sum of these two angles is 180, sum of these two angles is also 180. So that means, let's say if this is a x degree, this is 180 minus x. If I sum them up, I should get this is also x. So let me start the process here. Since NR equals to NP, this implies what? If these two are equal, so triangle NPR is an isosceles. If this is an isosceles, that means angle NPR equals to angle NRP. This angle and these angles are equal. So let's assume that angle NPR equals to x. That means NRP is also x. So let's say this is a x, this is a x, so this is also x. This implies x plus 50 equals to 180. Oh, you can write down one more thing here given. Let me write down that angle. Also, this angle is given, so I'm just writing down PNR equals to 50 degree. Thus, what you can say, we have a 50 plus x is 180. 50 plus x equals to 180. Sum of 3 angles of a triangle. Sum of 3 angles of a triangle. So now this is 50 plus 2x equals to 180, which means now this implies 2x equals to 180 minus 50. I'm taking that 50 to the right side. This implies 2x equals to 130. This implies x equals to 65 degree. Okay, now this angle is 65 degree. We are almost done. Now you have to know this outer angle is equals to this angle. So therefore, you can directly write down angle NQ equals to angle NPR, which is nothing more than 65 degree. Why? You have to write down the region. The outer angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equals to the opposite angle of its adjacent angle. Or simply you can say, if this is a 65, how much is this? You can compute like this. If this is a 65, this angle is 115. Since these are the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, so they are supplementary, right? If they are supplementary, then they have to be the sum of these two angles is also 180. Since this is 115, so this must be 65. That's how you can write. But I think we can compare, we use the knowledge that we learned, this angle, the inner angle of this adjacent angle, right? So opposite angle of this adjacent angle is equals to the outer angle. So this angle and these angles are equal, and when we computed that angle to be 65, so this the answer is 65. So let me explain in a short. Since these two sides are equal, this is an isosceles. So I suppose this is angle is x. If this is x, this is also x. Both of them are x. So now x plus 50, x plus 50 equals to 180. So this 50 is 50, x plus x is 2x equals to 180. Taking that 50 to the right side, I got the x value is 65, right? So when I solve this, I got x equals to 65. This angle is 65. Now, you know that this angle and these angles are equal, being outer angle and opposite of its adjacent angle. So they must be equal. So this angle and this angle are equal, which is 65. That's the answer. Thank you.